journey, the journey, the journey, the journey, the journey. Take this life, make you know the rush, make you know
the journey. Many aji every say. I feel munina you start here from January to December. Nyame ekura yemu. Na you see the asida kese emerald. Wa wo fie so many say when the aji pa 31st day. Ye momodin say ye nyina ye bekọ sorry. Na ye de asida ne ye emerald. Ni asande ye ho ahye o trade on ponsa cause ye be rafi from. Enema bebre na wa afinum. Enhira wom, esu wom, enome wom. Binyama bebre ne wom na so die na wo kwa kwosere wo nyame de ye sire nyankopon ne se on sign kura ye mo 2025 ye be ye sign or how amane onyimfri ye ne ebusua so na on sign enkura ye mo saa na ni jenim kodimdie enye ye dia me mo wakọ abasronko ediba de jeni so nyame ensure so afi mu nyina waka me ho na de dwumadie aba awieye nyame ensure pa afi eye aboafo a omo asomasen na de bia me de dwumadie ibro me ka se nyame emwa wo mo no mo dwuma entimi enkoso se na bia brebia no betimi aso yasen na ya ba be che the story of others se na bia me no ye betimi afamu aba na ye de abobra me da me ho akwaji aboafo nkrato me ba ye de nkomo no ebe hyehye so enkope bia Yakwaji enkratso aba aha eye de Jenny so and me guest me ne betwetwe nkomo ye raba fefefe pa a oye actress a osanye nyuma bebre and ye ne no ebefa na propo akwantum ye friend no Harriet Techi and ye ne betwetwe nkomo Lady Harriet akwaba
Yenia
the new executive producer in town the new executive producer in town baby I na echo saying
oh echo because I say, oh, Jumani mana on shadan and time for negativity be and time for when I can't anymore, papa. And you know, Emma obi nim say class start here check.
Yeah.
And you know, not pushing, you know. But on say, because industry players near and now for the data and my Jumana call, and I can't afford to show me your door.
Oh.
Because yeah, anything negative to trend it.
To trend, but
still now it won't buy. Oh yes.
Now I cried the multimedia premiere.
Accra then they kind of private watch party.
Okay.
And I cook as a quiet premiering.
Okay.
But you buy no. Now when I knowledge and mini.
Okay.
Buy no person me silver bed.
Okay.
But buy no say the place is booked till the end of year.
Okay, so I saw your name next year.
This is next year.
Okay.
And you know, I'm a contemplating either send me premiere on YouTube and I say need that one because yeah, they kind of cookie back also.
Me who said now more set so. But I say no so to me yeah Accra so na
so I
Accra because
no but
investment.
No more almost sounds mommy. I'm suggesting another one be I think my team is working on it.
Okay.
Maybe I'm interested because delivery boy they also be actually.
Of course.
When you know any movie be a cake.
Of course.
Also be
and easy production there. And easy a lot of money. And him say private watch no crowd here worker.
Oh, nyamiado.
The academy of us so.
So the guy no so be asabi cookie back so.
It's no. You know what Sunday coffee from now come. You more about the Jenny so. And then the young wa has say actress oh macho Harry Obumpa as you said say any negativity ya na obu ho born home modern pa but nipa ntimi ho but it shouldn't be in a bad way to trend to.
No, I will never do that.
Yes.
Because at the end of the day, no, only pe be after you maybe so you have a reason to alpha. Me no, the acting is not first, it was a passion. By saying about be a DBI a do. Get do juma no. It's no and a so ucha movie na so be share. Not sure role now play. At the end of the day, no osuya be film. That means you are impacting lives.
Yeah.
And to the say na kwa say and just a passion, it's not just fun. But about me a DBI. And the foot over a sacrobia bravo.
Yes.
And to say they are fully say the whole year if we can produce like 4 or 5 good movie and yet every week be they buy a chaff no.
Okay.
Because a person come global kakra.
Okay.
Some Ghana movie here for Ghana movie for actors wow.
Yeah.
Actresses yeah wow. Ne mumiana yentan supporting him.
Okay.
To send the yenyabre.
I say
kakra yen so yebetimi a contribute ama industry no.
Okay.
We are ready to do it.
Okay. How was your journey? Dear Nana wo year before you decided say you'll be an actress.
Okay.
How was it?
Growing up, also collaboration so one is doing.
Yeah.
And then I'm person me pa mama sim senya na me kasi o me nya me bank manager.
Okay.
But me my mama I've worked in a law firm for a very long time. Almost within the data connecting straight. Like at a point when I come from a lawyer.
Okay.
Because every office where I'm finding myself to be a law firm. Until na me law. And it's na man me law firm.
Law firm, what were you doing there?
Oh, but I'm a PA.
Okay. Okay.
Personal assistant.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Nina Calvin and our movie industry mean to me too active.
Okay, because lots back
I was a corporate person.
Yeah.
Until Monday to Friday, why busy be Saturday, Sunday, be no sneaky, no tobacco, be near my rope, when I won't pass out beji baby. Because this week be a transfer. And name me lawyer from who didn't tell me what to do through a week. So if I'm trying to meet me could chat this week, I once said the following week the time offered me moving on channel I was so limited until say like last year I'm decided to me I made Juma.
Okay.
Team I'm starting my Juma then I have enough time to shoot, to be on set. Until last year I was very active in the movie industry.
Okay. See, Delivery Boy was shot last year, rather.
No, it was shot this year. And they make like I was active because I'm a person. I was on other productions, but I was very busy with the industry. This year,
preparing yourself for your own.
Yes. Once I manual this time want me develop interest, Now I feel me co-location. Me person me share how I sound the Juma. Person me share props like how everything was going because once Juma now condo. So me active on other productions and mommy name there and I so they wanna me pay moving a kind way be they wanna me pay into now. I was seeing a lot now so bad for 1 month because won't me who share will be our woman on do woman so I say hey tea and I am so they were buying and
you said now promotion other things so aside you being an actress, do you do any other thing?
Yes.
Because before now you're a PA and now you are no more like
I do
fully.
Fully.
I heard you are into real estate.
Yes, I'm into real estate.
Okay.
It's an agency and this is what we do. Your tongue completed house and as will be dying that they've been put on the prayer
okay
and so I be so I am then you penny for the NB
okay
I was here church and comfort and get to that's what we do so by no be also our brochure or probably managing the property because we do was if you were some person family better
to person on rent
either say or rent and as if you in a crowd that maybe I will be a boy squatters but on say fear periodically say you now you cook cleaning you cook managing them we do all those things
okay
and so we do a lot we do a lot
and so that is now the main thing and now and what are the
the movie production and so I can't and I make sure me from your corny kakra near Konya Santiana and Pibi Kakran so account. A dime turn on said the whole yet we're closing the line, we are 2 3. But just say I'm saying a better Yana a chair, but Yana Bacos commission bar. Yana a chain, we are $100,000, no adjectives, yeah, petty, give us a big fuel. So that's what we do. Okay. And that funds
how do you manage the homes, the acting, and
okay, so first thing it was hectic because but now because everything I'm doing I manage it.
Okay.
And
you can work from anywhere.
I can schedule I schedule me home. So I meet my manager fee now at the same time so my manager Jumana me it's me busy. And mommy busy pan because over sort of highway but just say our wife also film so you monka but we say and crowd job mama
go for mo say also the be one
I was about the common 2 years Juma kakra no abafi so kaka then there unfold also doing
okay canning in our boom. Oh nice. And what started industry how many years ni?
Okay, basically like started 2018.
So how is the journey in the industry? Oba Muno, how was it? Bibia was cool and I said was he in any easy way at all for
fortunately for me, director not do me real mono. Once I buy a pen, role or didn't play and a boame. Because me try movie that. And by Jessica Williamson, Louisa Dinkra, Tracy Van Vika. Yes, and Tanas and I interesting one crash and chairman, and so like it was quite tough. It's easy from them so from her.
Oh, so after that,
that's a way link to this director. Said director be Pearl, and I didn't discover those things.
And no crowd, yeah, I'm in Pessimet because I saw for crap person of mine.
Sir, now Papa man cry with him.
That's the thing. So I don't know why or more target just the media personalities. No, baby, no, because to idea was told. Na kura osmas mano one ne twem pana
so baby I will be
baby obani be ma will be wo ho a na me kobo ageni no so bia me corset na me nya bi ntwa o house e na nya izo yen frame me I had to yes that side
I didn't experience that
the negative side ne kwade
me I didn't really experience that because me call location I just say frame me
I just say frame
I mean so me force
no be so ho ye be friend no but if you be corset no so be one and then I fool one return ka
I know mom there more try enough things in the ultimate train part and no there no correct
1 week na omuntwa bi da
I know there
for me who be that when me started production I was fortunate like me role nyina was lead character was Supremo me Jackie Kasum John Dumelo nom ye TC Nigerian production straight beat ni ade it was good for me sunshine so it was really good when I started there econom so say me can say I don't want to do production me pause but there are people that they didn't go through what that lack
they didn't have that opportunity.
They didn't have that way. It's when they are sharing their experience. I me bisa because I know say obia person bra TV so that what you've been through no akwa bia wo ba betima share no ho dey say punya bi ntwa kora obetimi abeye obi because with this reality shows obi otimi win ni yentine nka biem obi was normal you can say
no normal thing
na watimi abeye ni party so yes na me bisa to know what Enkofo Komo. Oh, and yours was really easy.
No, it was really easy. And thanks to Samuel Ofori. Samuel Ofori. Oh yeah, the me baby because I never planned. I never planned semi kucha movie. He just met me and he was like, "Oh, me do kucha movie."
Oh, I'm in India. Any other way? I say, I never went on Mopeno. Well, you were chicken crap. Yeah, I don't know what fella. Almost son and any other crazy things. Go not what should I come around the edge of near Malicini. Yeah, none of your versus here. Yakwaji and Krato Ava Uguswa Ehode Jenny or Adum TV and I'm a guest no a actress Harriet Techi Yena friend Lady Harriet and Yano Haya Chinkomo. Mommy, and uncommon I had the Odia from it is in the year say movies need the eba like in a year and 1 my 5. Is it going to be premiere movies? And I say, now we know, say, YouTube are making a lot of money, especially the Nigerians. Yes, also obe make his away, you know, and I be a premiere.
And premiere.
Okay.
Premiere in Shadakra, my is like
dreams, no.
Premiering and Casacra in Shadamai.
Yeah.
But yana a bois promotion for promotional purpose. Yes. Yana bois. And Tinina and yet premiere movie. Okay. Yami not the next year so don't ye be a festive season and it be a premiere
but
movie
but more on
YouTube and I say any other platform be and to my bembo.
Yeah, sure. 5 years from now, what do you want to become? Aside you being into real estate, actress, and what do you want to do? What's on your day?
5 years by now, no. Number say, be I am a dream, and me to fulfill it. Mean to me, but me per se obit nature almost say. Lady Harriet be impact into my life. Okay. And that's one thing I'm hoping for. Okay. It's not about I don't know what the future holds for me. Me name the future no. Yes. Yeah, they say susu. Yeah, Johnny Papa we dream big, but me they said that be I say once they bought that lumba dinya. to me say why ye be bibisa na is my dream
bibisa na ombe
men ko can say fie and I say no
obi kan your stars so fie bebre but you want to impact
I want to impact people that me person me to me inspire obi no obi who say oh you don't have to do this to become that you can be at the backstage on say juma kra no backstage for na juma pa ka creme na limelight almost still omo ye juma back to bet me away change now we juma pa impacting people into people's life and that's what I'm hoping for.
Amen. Yeah, that's say bansa na obekone wa chede bi wa ha say obeyi baako amaye
with me we are Abena Abena okay
I said man cry
do dinner
now they amaye
hey amaye won
hey where they want just as a public figure, have you ever faced a situation you wish you could react but couldn't?
Oh yes. Oh yes, I have. And maybe mini obinya issue na obe person de cry e babonti. Issue no cry na entesa. But yeah no pay ho asem wo social media so we want to do right.
Yeah.
Nti na was say me calm me down. Send about me provoking nipa no.
Yeah. But the waba.
So me so na so because to the extent say or send me text messages na. Then you see me I was dating somebody. Okay, no. And na oba so on ma. And now no nipa no so me send sis me me dan me na me say me guy from so me share unu abena o. Enya wo like me ma scenario. Me share unu abena o. Na say okay nice abena de me nua o. I'm not kasai na fe mu ye na woni me boyfriend e twempana. O say me hu ye na wa abena wo ni me boyfriend. Me bisa keke say only me boyfriend e twempana nti me sense say me guy na twempana the guy no call in chain no. Me friend na no mam stories. Ti mo face na obai ti obai na girl no friend na me catch me hu say girl no friend. And I'm say oh I feel the bedroom no I feel the abena na enya wo me kasa feel the abena air frɛ wa na and o say and I'm say pick a call. Not picking again, sorry, and I'm from no say I'm patch my sweetheart, my baby ho.
Oh, I get a girl no.
So girl name that.
Oh, okay, maybe. And see, I say me name that I said me kura no.
Oh, my boyfriend, I me put on the first time I share no boyfriend. I know no share.
See Jumani bi.
I know share. No so me share we up now. And I'm mummy no na friend me.
Unya sure say na be man so yes matima key.
I know so bo me key but okori ni we ya no okori girl ni we say na okori girl na oba no. Excuse my language. So buy no better na say
na me should know like for them to even call you know friend then.
The time they na hwe ni ho after no. Na first time on my share radio station no. Etu ni.
Hey, e dey na say me hu ni pa kure.
We sure so ni pa kure.
Yes.
Okay, me nim dey. Etu ni. Oh yeah when a friend me now can say oh me chepe na girl no bufu ye na sada no
beto no
atem didie na boy na nka so GB but o ka say boy na kwanya ne type didi na tem di be di ma tem say o de ba o de ba social media na me na de na me de me nya hwe o ba so ma koka
and I know e ba sa na ube jai wadepa I know what you are talking
so
about.
I had to back off.
That's the thing. Na dia eno so na ya de be ma ne pe no e be hwere no.
And so I don't know they no.
That's what I'm saying. Obi a o hwe yen ya o ha dream. O ha ji we dey so obi o ha dream pa onim se ntokwa ne ade e dey na be ka hwere.
E wo hin social media.
E wo social media tem didie and say ne ade what will you tell the person?
Okay, they make a chani pan say atani de udi enkrofo follow omutio.
That's the thing like no no.
Echinasem. It dey papa ben na obeja. Unim what the future holds for you.
Yeah.
And am e bia come bia do. And as a favor bia open monye bia open free ne pa bi no. Na wo dim panifo atem, na wo kan na wo dia begidin, setting enye din.
Yeah.
Edin nye din we nye edin aye emulate. Enye din. It mesra so utia. Find something. You can find something else. Obetimi aya. And also the trend in the bema. O the support wo so to unye obi aye. Like make like nka obedi obi atem.
Oba wo so kwa de kase ne na te ha no.
and God is shaky on
yeah
I cry on social media
say no could be
I
also no to no ya ho ya na dey
and no cry no could you be at me on Casanti obi on kofum obi intimacy youth no and in pennyfo nya you feel obi mo nyini so ma Jimmy Chan kwala no excuse me like Jimmy
Obakasa boom 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 because of following
yes social media na abamo bia but making sure say you do the right
money
thing.
on social media.
All people are making money. Yes.
Wow.
And you know, I say yanketenkiti omo. Social media na hot there. And what don't name boko, it's man name boko, so that will make you sick. You don't necessarily have to insult anybody.
Oh.
Or go for the negative ones.
It's a monster sawai. Monster sa. The journey the oba near mouth flower. A signature say a doll pa.
Oh, I love flowers.
Aye. So oba sono your doll pa na fe.
Oh my goodness.
Ane. You should share mom posting nya bi. Yes, I the journey
me time photo shoot.
It was really nice.
Oh, December already nyame adoma. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh,
it was
nice. Let me show you to the camera. This
was
beautiful.
Nice, but
thank you so much.
And Hampesi, your sponsors here from Mao.
Hey.
Say we appreciate you. Keep being amazing and keep shining. The sky is your starting point.
Amen.
Keep shining while it is well. Yeah, that's it over here. Wow, what's not for share? You said ne was seen out there back and now me and Lady Harriet, a Harriet Techi, and I yene Chinkomo, or your actress, entrepreneur, and also into the real estate. It's wait me following our social media and so now they were following the good works at all ye. Aha, and a brave mad ye did you madi as mammy fasted a PSA and my bois or masoma sina jumadi midi bro and pribia, and you give us clinker time have our Mr. Midima for Heba Center and a fay a year Kunama Entertainment with near Dia 4 and I saw my scene with Adum TV any this season, bro. That's a yen side Asia. Me catch you say, I love you so much and God bless you for watching. Me dey at the Abena Ghana, Abuno for a good year, breakum this year. I send back on a debut, me catch you. Missy Nyami Woma, Ebeye, Macron.
The journey.